Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for tuning in for these updates. Okay, so I want to chat about some things, and I'm just going to cut to the chase. I'm changing my channel name. In the past, for the last 2 years, I've gone back and forth. I've even put some feelers out there with you guys. I did a poll recently. I sort of addressed it on my Instagram page, and a lot of you said you like the name Gochujang Mama. But with every great comment that was very supportive of the name, some of you were like, we love the name, we just learned how to say it. And a lot of you just shortened it and would call me G Mama, and I thought that was super cute. But there were also comments, and I do get comments daily that are asking, are you Mexican? Are you Korean? What is this? Some of you just don't know what gochujang is. By the way, it's a Korean red pepper chili paste, which is very delicious. For searchability reasons, I've decided to change it to, drum roll please, Simply Mama. So I'm going to keep the Mama, and I guess I'm just dropping the gochujang. When I started this channel, for those of you that don't know and just strictly come here for recipes and you don't check the about section, I'm Mexican American and my husband is Korean, and this channel was started because I was going to vlog about our interracial marriage, our mixed kids, my family life, and my husband was just like, no, I don't want to be on camera. And I'm like, okay, so what should I do? Let me just continue with recipes. All right. So that's what I did. My channel grew thanks to you guys. And the name just kind of, I didn't think about it, but then I kind of started realizing little by little, family members were like, well, I want to share your channel name, but I don't remember how to say it. My own mom, she still can't say it to this day. It doesn't matter how many times I try to tell her. And a lot of you have expressed the same thing as well. So for that reason, I am going to change it to Simply Mama. And, maybe that's a lot easier to say when you are among your friends, or maybe you're at a cookout and someone's like, hey, did you try Simply Mama's recipe? Other than like you can't think of how to say gochujang. So for that reason, I'm changing it. And it's not a negative thing. I'm actually happy. This is something, again, I've always thought about. And I recently got some expert advice, and, I just think it's time. So that is why I'm going to change it. And for those of you that want a cookbook update, I am in the early stages of drafting my first cookbook, and it's hard. It's not as easy. I've never written a book, period, but you've got to compile the recipes, you've got to test them, you got to make sure that things are right, you word things right. So between cookbook, maintaining 2 to 3 channels, filming, editing, staying on top of trends, researching, and then the comments. Oh, the comments. I love my subscribers, and you guys keep that comment section very, very positive, and I love it because really this channel, I want us to share, tips and tricks and things that make cooking easier in the home, and substitutions and ideas. That's what this is about. And I'm so sorry if I don't chime in on every comment. It's hard to sit just for 30 minutes after posting a video because a lot of work goes into filming, editing, posting. When I upload, it takes at least 2 hours to upload, and then to write the descriptions. And then, so by the time the video goes live, I'm literally like, I'm done. I need a break. Because being a full-time YouTuber, this is my job. I work from home. So at some point, I have to teach myself, okay, time to shut down. So I'm sorry if I miss your comments and I'm not frequently responding to all the comment sections. It's a lot. And I promise I will work on that. But for right now, I feel a little spread thin. I feel a little overwhelmed. So maybe one day I can afford some help, but for right now, it's just myself. So again, thank you though. I really, really appreciate you guys. And with change, and growth comes sometimes growing pains. So I completely understand if you guys are just like, things are changing too much around here. I'm out. you know what? I still wish you well. Thank you for joining me at some point and giving me your attention and supporting my channel. Whether you're here today and gone tomorrow, that's okay. I just hope maybe in the future our paths will cross again, and maybe you'll check in on me from time to time. For me, I'm grateful for that. So that's actually what I wanted to talk about. I'm going to be changing my channel name. I'm going to refresh things around here and maybe put out some content that's a little different. I'm not going to stray from my usual straightforward, as somebody put it, they loved my recipe videos because they were very methodical, or they were I don't know, they worded it a lot better. So I will stick with that, but I do want to show you guys some different things, and we'll see how that goes. I don't know, but for now, name change coming right at you. Simply Mama. And again, if you want to keep calling me Gochujang Mama, I'm down with it. You guys, I mean, I really appreciate you. You guys have embraced it. And, you know, some people even call me G Mama because they couldn't spell gochujang or say it. And I'm okay with that too. So anyways, that is what I wanted to say. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for continuing to support my channel. It is very important to me. We are growing, and my 100,000 subscribers that I got is definitely because of all of you. So I definitely hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.